When you search for the best turntable mats, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Greenlit Acrylic Slip Mat. First up, we have the Greenlit Acrylic Record Player Platter Slip Mat from TAKMRK, priced at $18.99. What caught my attention is its vibrant green color and the promise of enhanced sound quality. If you want a noticeable upgrade to your vinyl listening experience, this is worth a serious look. It dampens resonance, meaning you get tighter bass response and quieter playback compared to traditional cork or felt mats. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,400 reviews, many users are raving about the clearer audio and enhanced detail. Plus, the 11.81-inch diameter fits all standard 12-inch turntables, ensuring that your records stay flat for cleaner sound. Now, some people complained about the mat being a bit slippery. Here's the thing though, while it may take a moment to get used to, the sound quality improvement is genuinely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your sound without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional feel or want something heavier. Now, if that slight slipperiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Pro Spin White Acrylic Mat. Next up is the Pro Spin White Acrylic Turntable Mat, also priced at $18.99. Right off the bat, its sleek white design caught my eye. If you want a visually appealing mat that also enhances sound, this one deserves your attention. What makes this mat stand out is its anti-static material and sound dampening properties. This means it not only reduces static noise, but also helps minimize crackles and pops during playback, offering you a more enjoyable listening experience. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the tighter bass quality it delivers. The 3mm thickness and 300 in diameter ensure it fits perfectly on standard 12-inch turntables. However, a few users mention that it can feel a bit delicate. But here's the thing, as long as you handle it with care, the sound quality improvement really outweighs this concern. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish upgrade to your turntable setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something more robust and heavy-duty. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value a more substantial feel. Product number 3: Fair Black Rubber Mat. Now we have the Fair Turntable Platter Mat, priced at a budget-friendly $11.99. This one caught my eye because of its universal appeal and solid rubber design. If you're looking for a simple, effective upgrade to your turntable, this one is definitely worth considering. This means clearer sound and less noise. With a 4.6-star rating from 858 reviews, users report a noticeable improvement in playback quality. It's a 12-inch mat that fits all standard turntables, making it a versatile choice. On the downside, some users did complain about it having a slight odor out of the box. But honestly, this dissipates quickly and doesn't affect performance at all. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium aesthetic. Now, if that odor is a deal breaker for you, the next mat might be more up your alley. Product number 4: Ihumel Universal Rubber Slip Mat. Coming in next is the Ihumel Universal Rubber Slip Mat, priced at $13.99. What stood out to me is its compatibility with a wide range of turntables. If you want something that's going to work well with your existing setup, this is a solid pick. This mat features non-slip grooves and a label recess that ensures your records stay flat during playback. The 3mm thick black rubber provides a good grip, helping to reduce vibrations and enhancing sound quality. With a 4.6-star rating from 722 reviews, users appreciate the smoother playback experience it provides. It's designed to fit all standard 12-inch platters, making it an easy replacement for any old felt or rubber mats. However, some users found it a bit too soft, which they felt affected stability. Now here's the thing, while it may not have that rigid feel, the sound improvement is still impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, universal option without spending a lot. Skip this one if you need something more solid or firm. Now, if that softness is a concern, the final mat on our list might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5, Hudson Hi-Fi Acrylic Mat. Last but not least, we have the Hudson Hi-Fi Acrylic Turntable Mat priced at $19.95. This one really caught my attention because of its stunning radiant lime color and the promise of a significant sound upgrade. If you want to take your vinyl listening to the next level, this mat is definitely worth a look. The precision CNC machined acrylic surface means it fits perfectly on most standard 12-inch turntables, and the included label recess keeps your records stable. With a 4.7-star rating from 5,300 reviews, it's clear that users are impressed with the sound clarity it provides. It's designed for easy installation without stacking, which is always a plus. Now, a few reviewers mentioned it's on the pricier side compared to others. But honestly, the sound improvement you get here is impressive and worth the investment if you're serious about your vinyl. This is perfect for you if you want the best sound quality possible. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just looking for something basic. So to sum it all up, the TAKMORK Greenlit Acrylic Mat offers a vibrant look and sound upgrade, the Pro Spin brings style and quality, the Fair Mat is budget-friendly and effective, the eHumel is versatile for various setups, and the Hudson Hi-Fi delivers top-notch sound clarity. Each of these mats has something unique to offer, so consider your needs and choose wisely.